Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Skill Drill. Well, today I was thinking why not we should try some cartoon characters out of basic shapes like circles, rectangles and triangles. Wait, you don't believe me? Check it out. So we have these three basic shapes here, circle, triangle and rectangle. तो हम circle से start करते हैं. Just put a line in between. Another circle for hat, a plus sign. Here will the shoulders, hands, legs. Eyes, nose, dash, face. Done. Put a cap. So here we have this policeman. He has started from a circle and we have achieved this. Now we have this triangle. Let's try something out of it. Again, a head, a small shoulder because the upper body might be a little smaller than the bottom one. So here's the shoulder, mid body, straight down, hands and legs. Now let's add some details. So we have these two cartoon characters out of the basic shapes. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something out of it. It was really fun, so try this and let me know about your awesome cartoon characters you made out of this. And if you don't want to miss my next video, then go fast and click that bell icon there. You can subscribe me to learn more cool and awesome tricks. So that's all for today. Goodbye and take care of yourself.